This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? Today I'm going to review Toyota Urban Cruiser. So this is a bit unusual. We actually have a camera woman and an assistant for holding light. This room is a bit dark and the interior is dark, but okay, let's get started. So I will show you guys. This is a quite compact car. It's around 4.3 meters long. It's yet another crossover SUV. So I'll show you the front first. There's no front here. Let me see. As usual, when I are on these events, I have very limited time. So I actually have to do this more or less on the fly. But here you see under the hood, well, they made it kind of compact, so there is no front here. And also it seems like there is no space for an aftermarket front. But here is the washer fluid filler. So then I'll just slap it down. Usually this is kind of heavy, some steel. There usually will close it. Okay, so if you can go over on that side, we can show the interior on this side. So yeah, the camera's stuck. So again, also, sorry guys, but we had no preparation whatsoever, and I'm the last man in here. And then eventually another team will be here. But so this is different from the BZ4X. We have what appears to be like a continuous screen, but it's actually one fairly big instrument cluster here, and then also another screen there. I now to check something here. Okay, headroom, more than a fist of headroom, and then this is just manual, but there's at least a relatively big sunroof, but it doesn't go all the way to the back. And then let me adjust. This is the overdrive, by the way. Here, if I adjust for myself, roughly, yeah, when I close the door, I get some light there. Check here, we have, okay, make mirror, but without the lights. Same on this side. Yeah, just mirror without light. So maybe a bit basic interior. We have the, we come here closer, you see, we have one USB-C, one USB-A, and then 12-watt outlet there, here, and then I call this the bridge design. So we have a little shelf under here. It seems to be more and more common nowadays. And then you can put your phone here and it should start charging, unless it hasn't been activated. Okay, not sure why, but the cup holder there. Yeah, okay, here I recognize this from the Toyota BZ4, the gear selector. Yeah, you do this. I think I can actually put it in gear. Okay, let's not do that. We have drive mode and yeah, whatever in here. Center console, not that big. It has like a hole in there, but then here it stops there. But I mean, okay, can we adjust this? Let me check. No, it's just click. Okay. But I think what you guys are gonna see is in the back. So I try to adjust now. So you see, I adjusted for myself, and then what is okay? That sound, I think it's not supposed to be like that. I noticed it when I open the door. Okay, that is probably not how it's supposed to be. But here in the back, here is when the magic happens, because if I sit behind myself, you see how much space I have. Well, you can get even more space. If it's, okay, now we are already in the most rear position, but this is insane for a car that is 4.3 meters long. Huh? You know, in terms of banana boxes, I wonder if I could even put a banana box horizontally. Normally I have to put the banana boxes vertically. But okay, and then here, okay, now we have to bring the camera slightly closer for you guys who care about that. I think this is a shelf for putting your phone, but it doesn't have charging. But here we have, see, it's spring loaded. One USB-A, one USB-C. Yeah, at least we have charging there. And then here, also very nice, we have this, how it is again? Yeah, you pull the strap, and you have a quite big ski opening. But which is a bit strange because I think I have to bring the camera slightly closer. Because you have the cup holder here. Okay, that's fine. A bit weird why the cup holders are not further out, because I would be sitting here and then have to grab the cup here, right? Or the bottle here. But when the armrest is down in this position, then there's an opening to the trunk. And you know, in winter, it tends to be cold in the trunk. I was looking for some lid here. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like this, but this is kind of weird. But it's a 40, 20, 40 split here. But let me check something else. Daddy Bjørn is always looking for this. Isofix. Yeah, okay. Relatively easy to see them. I prefer the lid, but this is still okay. I think it's better than the average, that it's relatively easy to find the Isofix hooks. But here, look here. So, not many cars can do this in this price range, or this, actually we don't know the price, but this class. Not many cars can actually slide the seat forward in case you need more space in the back, but also you can do this. Wait, I always do this when I do banana box test. So you can see here, how much upright can we go? There. That is church bench for maximum space, and then for maximum comfort. Then you go there. Ooh. Okay, when it comes to headroom, not that much, but let's go in the back. So I'm gonna try something here. We go this, maximum space, go here, and then jump in this seat, and then do the same here, and then adjust this forward. In case you need to transport the most cargo, I could sit here, just home from IKEA, right? And then in the trunk, how big is the trunk then? I take up the parcel shelf. It goes, yeah, it's usually standard way. Yeah, look here, take out the parcel shelf. Ah, okay. So they made a quite big trunk, and then you can open here. Okay, we have the standard foam. It can be taken out in case you need to, but let me just share. I just want to see what is beneath here. Because I also asked Toyota, if you go for, this is the all-wheel drive. If you go for the front-wheel drive, will you get more space in the back here? I think you'll come close and check out. But they say that you get the same space. It seems like maybe it's not optimal. Many other EVs, they have a deeper well beneath here. But let me see. If I would guess, but I think this actually matters for people who buy this car, is how much space do you have here? You know, just based on the butt feeling, it could seem like I could fit, you know, in terms of banana boxes, I might be able to fit 8 boxes in here, especially if you take out the foam, and that is remarkable for this class. Let me show you how big we have. Okay, let me see. You see here? You can easily fit one Asian in a trunk like this. I'm not sure if many other cars that is 4.3 meters can actually fit. But of course, if I slide the seat backward, then you don't have that much space. But okay, let me see. Here it seems like we have the JBL subwoofer on this side. And then that seems to be a hook for grocery. And then here we have light. Wait, huh? Oh, huh? There's a switch for the light? Really? That's the first car I've seen that has it. Well, why not? You can switch it off there, but yeah. Okay, we have a little pocket here for storing cargo. No 12 volt in the back, but we have in the front. But most cars in this class, they don't have it. Here you can actually see the metal here. But yeah, I think that's it. So just a quick overview of this urban cruiser. Eventually we'll be able to do test drives and so on. But this is what you guys see here. This is the all-wheel drive version. So it's different. I have to say, I'm being honest, you know, it is different than many other compact cars because you have the flexibility if you want to more cargo or longer people. Yeah. Anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.